Hello students, welcome here in this YouTube channel. Unit number 4, National Movement in India. Very interesting and informative unit this is. We came to know about the many things which we just don't know about that. Jallianwala Bagh, non-cooperation movement, Khilafat movement, this Rowlatt Act, arrival of Gandhiji, means these all things just made us proud. We feel proud being Indian after just getting the knowledge of this freedom movement. We must say that students, that our leader, our history leader and our brave warriors sacrificed their life for us, and those sacrification of their life, we are just getting this life, this freedom, this life full of freedom is just because of their sacrifice. So let's just know more thing about those leaders as well as other moments which happened during that time. Today's topic means today we'll start from this non-cooperation movement, and time duration was 1920 to 22, means this was known as non-cooperation movement's time. Let's start it. Page number 28, student. Non-cooperation movement. The Nagpur conference gave the approval to non-cooperation movement, that is December 1920. Now the Congress made a strong demand for independence of India, that is Swarajya, instead of self-government, that is Swashasan, under the rule of British Empire. So still there was British Empire rule, but now under this Congress made strong demand of Swarajya. Now they didn't want any kind of Swashasan, they want Swarajya, and they demanded for that. So Nagpur Congress gave approval and demand for Swarajya. That are the keywords for that. Second is constructive aspect. In the positive aspect of the movement was Hindu-Muslim unity to be strengthened, insistence of using Swadeshi articles, revival of spinning wheels in every house, collection of 1 crore rupees for Tilak Swarajya Fund, abolition of untouchability, national education, prohibition, etc. So these are the constructive aspect of national cooperation movement. The prime and first purpose of that movement was Hindu-Muslim unity. So Hindu-Muslim unity was the prime purpose. After that, there was a rule made under this non-cooperation movement that spinning wheel means radio should be there in each and every house. And they just collected 1 crore rupees for Tilak Swarajya Fund. And another aspect was a word abolition of untouchability, national education was must, and those are the aspect, or we can say constructive aspect of non-cooperation movement. We have negative aspects too. The negative aspects consisted of giving of government job, government school colleges, boycott legislature, resign from government court, local self-government, boycott foreign cloth and other articles, government functions, titles, etc. So those are the negative aspects, and those are giving of government job and related to government all. Means people had to give up or leave all the things including their titles too, which had relation with government, like government schools, colleges, boycott legislature, boycott foreign clothes as well as other articles too. So these are the negative aspect of this non-cooperation movement as well as constructive aspect. Please you note down this keyword. After that we'll go for programs for non-cooperation movement. So let's see what are the programs for non-cooperation movement. As I told you that some of the leaders just gave up their titles. So that was the beginning of this. In the beginning of movement, Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore surrendered their title Kaisar-e-Hind and knighthood honor respectively. So this title, this award, this honor was given to Gandhiji as well as Rabindranath Tagore. So under this movement, this non-cooperation movement, they just gave up these two titles. And other leaders of the nations also gave up their titles and position. Students left English school and college. Along with Gandhiji and Rabindranath Tagore, other leaders also just gave up their titles and students just left English school and colleges. At various places, foreign clothes were set on fire, and foreign clothes, they just boycotted foreign clothes and foreign clothes got fired. When Duke of Connaught came to India, he was boycotted. So English school and college. Left. Duke of Connaught, the ceremony of honoring Prince of Wales was also boycotted. So they just arranged ceremony of Prince of Wales and that was boycotted. Such incidents created considerable national excitement. On the other hand, national schools and colleges were established like Kashi, Bihar, Jamia Milai, Gujarat, etc. Vidyapits. So these Vidyapits means national Vidyapits were established. Prince of Wales honoring national colleges and universities were established. Due to vigorous propaganda for Swadeshi goods, the import of cloth, footwear, luxurious items from England reduced drastically. So people opposed those items which just came from England. So England items were opposed. This reaction rattled the British Parliament. The government was shocked by this kind of huge economic loss to England. So this means people just boycotted England items, and that affected British Parliament as well as economy of England. More than 1 crore rupees was collected in Tilak Fund. On many occasions, Hindu-Muslim emerged predominantly the Mopla revolt, that is Malabar, between Hindu landlords and Muslim peasants deserved criticism, and it was suppressed by British Army. So there was that revolt, that Mopla revolt between Hindu landlords and Muslim peasants deserves criticism, and it was suppressed by British Army. So the next keyword we have is Mopla revolt. So students, still we have 2 lines. The government adopted the policy of suppression. Uncontrolled lathi charge, firing, collective arrest, and inhuman torture was meted out. Unsuccessful attempts to break Hindu-Muslim unity were made. Means British government just started to just break the unity of Hindu-Muslim, and they just started the policy of suppression, and this whole thing was the result of this non-cooperation movement. So this is non-cooperation movement, student. It can be asked in 3 marks or in 4 marks. So it is very important topic. You just please note down this keyword. Please note down. Next is the Chora Chori incident and withdrawal of movement. Chori Chora. People took out a rally in Chora Chori village in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. The police opened fire on the people, but when they ran short of bullets, people attacked the police station and set on fire, in which 21 policemen died. On receiving this horrible news, Gandhiji said, "I have committed a Himalaya blunder by giving the tool of satyagraha in the hand of people who do not understand the value of non-violence. He suspended the movement immediately. So this non-violence or violence movement was there. At that time, one incident happened in Chora Chori village in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. People just started fighting with police, and they just attacked on police station and set on fire on police station, and 21 policemen were died in that. And Gandhiji just was very much displeased with this Chora Chori incident, and he just declared movement that he just declared that movement was suspended immediately by Gandhiji. So Chora Chori incident police station and fired. 21 policemen died. Gandhiji was displeased and suspended the movement. This is Chori Chora incident. In that, people got rebelled, means people were angry and started attacking on police, and police station was attacked and fired. In that, 21 policemen were died, and with this incident Gandhiji was so much displeased, so he just suspended this movement. Next is importance of non-cooperation and its effect. This movement did not achieve its desired aims, but through this negative and constructive aspect managed to generate in people awareness of their right. A negative atmosphere against the government was created. There was a strong feeling of opposition against injustice. There was a political awareness among all the classes of India. The faith in independence became stronger. So we have some effect in people's mind of this non-cooperation movement. People became very much aware about nationalism. They just started having faith in independence. The faith of independence among them became louder and stronger. Political awareness became strong even in India. The fear of lathi, punishment and imprisonment was removed. So that fear was now no longer in people's mind. The youth and women too came forward to serve their nation, and Congress became an organization of the people. As I told you that people became aware about the nationalism and about their freedom. So women as well as young people came forward for this freedom and for serving the nation. Schools giving national education began. Hindi started getting more importance than English. The movement that was limited to cities and towns and intellectuals spread to the people and villages. People started taking education in Hindi. They just removed English education. And school started giving national education, and up to that what happened, that movement was limited to intellectual person, limited to cities and limited to towns. But now after this movement, village people and all the people just started believing in getting freedom. So these are the effects of this non-cooperation movement. Urge for freedom became stronger. National education started. Hindi education instead of English. Women took parts in this movement. Village people became aware about freedom. So these are the effects of non-cooperation movement, students. Please you note down these keywords. Now last topic is, students, Swarajya Party. With the purpose of retaining the national awareness among people, Chittaranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru formed the Swarajya Party after the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement. So as non-cooperation movement was withdrawn, Chittaranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru established this Swarajya Party. Their purpose was to enter the legislative assemblies and oppose the unfair policies of the government. And purpose was clear, they just wanted to oppose the unfair policies of the government. The leader of the Swarajya Party also adopted the constructive activities of Gandhiji, like abolition of untouchability, Hindu-Muslim unity, revival of supine will and liquor prohibition, etc. So these are the constructive aspect of this Swarajya Party. First, it was formed by Chittaranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru. Purpose was to oppose the unfair policy of government. Other constructive activities too. Swarajya contested the election of legislature held in November 1923 and the candidates of Swarajya party were elected in the central legislature as well as provisional legislature and got clear majority. It did not set the majority in Bengal but emerged as a strong party. Motilal Nehru was elected into the central legislature as a party leader and Chitranjan Das was elected in Bengal province. So this party contests the election of legislator. Motilal Nehru was the president. Means Motilal Nehru was elected into the central legislature and as a party leader and Chitranjan Das was elected in Bengal province because it did not get the Bengal but emerged as a strong party. So in Bengal this was emerged as a strong party. Swarajya party disapproved the government budget and proposal and resented the unjust policies of the government. It compelled the government to consider the problems of the people. Due to the working of Swarajya party only, government had to appoint the Simon Commission 2 years earlier. So here we got the entry of Simon Commission. Due to this Swarajya party, Britishers or British government had to enter Simon Commission 2 years earlier because otherwise it was not planned on that year. But because of this Swarajya party, because in Swarajya party, this Motilal Nehru and Chitranjan Das just told to focus on people's problem, and due to that Simon Commission had to come before date, had to come 2 years earlier. Compelled government to focus on people's problem. Simon Commission came two years earlier. The Swarajya party functioned in disciplined manner and established high parliamentary practices. It proved to be the British government that Indian can rule constitutionally and democratically too. So this party was successful, and this party was the proof for the government, that British government, that Indian people can also rule constitutionally and democratically. The education class of India was thus attracted to Swarajya Party. So those people who were educated, those were attracted to this Swarajya Party. National awareness re-emerged in the people. The party played a crucial role in bringing the achievement of independence very near. All this indicates the importance of the party. People became aware about their nationalism, people became aware about their national freedom, and this party played a very important role to awake that spirit of getting independence in people's mind. With the death of Chittaranjan Das in June 1925, the Swarajya Party became weak. Some members began supporting the government while others established a new party named National Party. Thus, the prestige of the Swarajya Party reduced in the 1926 election. All its members lost terribly except in Madras province. Bipin Chandra Pal, Surendranath Banerjee even criticized the party strongly. So, after the death of Chittaranjan Das, that party became weak. All the members started leaving party, and some members just established their own party, and even Surendranath Banerjee and Bipin Chandra Pal started criticizing this party. This party was a tool for the spirit of nationalism. After the death of Chittaranjan Das, party was weak. And all the members started leaving party, and this way this party, Swarajya Party, ended here, and their own members started criticizing party. So after the death of Chittaranjan Das, party was not that much successful, and name Swarajya Party means it had focused only on nationalism, only on Indianness, only on in Swarajya. So this is Swarajya Party, students. Please you note down this. Okay students, so this is for today's video. Now I'll give you homework, and in homework you have to write exercise 2, which is there on page number 30. Student, this Sunday you don't have test, So this Sunday, with this video, you have this exercise, means you have this homework. You have to write 4 short notes, which is given on in exercise 2, page number 30. Okay, so write those exercise and post your homework in the group. We'll meet again in next video with new topic, and till then take care. Thank you.